CMS Unknown 95 here, showing you some lighter tricks with the Zippo. So here I go. The first one is, just how to open it. Okay. My second one's called the squeeze. My next one's called snap, crackle, and pop. Let's see if I can do it. Snap, crackle, pop. My next one is called the gun. And one more time. There we go. My next one, I'm going to try to do this one. I just learned it. See if I can do it. Okay, and my last trick, it's called Twilight Zone. Get the wick down there. See if I can do it. Okay, here we go. Oh, one more try. Well, you get the idea. So that's me with my lighter.